Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of stylish kitchen with bar design ideas and tips inspiration for adding inviting kitchen bar decor styles. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A kitchen with a bar is a popular design choice for many reasons. It is a great way to add extra seating and prep space to your kitchen, and it can also be a stylish and inviting focal point for your home. Whether you are entertaining guests or simply enjoying a casual meal with your family, a kitchen bar is a great place to gather and connect. A kitchen with bar design is a kitchen that includes a bar counter, typically attached to a kitchen island or peninsula. The bar counter can be used for a variety of purposes, such as eating, drinking, preparing food, or entertaining guests. How to design a kitchen bar. When designing a kitchen bar, there are a few key things to consider. 1. Size and placement. The size and placement of your kitchen bar will depend on the overall layout of your kitchen and the amount of space you have available. If you have a small kitchen, you may want to consider a smaller bar counter or a peninsula bar. If you have a larger kitchen, you may have more flexibility in terms of size and placement. 2. Height. The height of your kitchen bar should be comfortable for both sitting and standing. A standard bar counter is typically 42 inches high, but you may want to adjust the height to suit your own needs. 3. Seating. When choosing seating for your kitchen bar, consider the style of your kitchen and the number of people you typically entertain. Bar stools are a popular choice, but you may also want to consider counter height chairs or benches. 4. Storage. If you plan on using your kitchen bar for entertaining, you may want to consider adding some additional storage space underneath the counter. This can be used to store bar supplies, glasses, and other items. How to style a kitchen bar. Once you have designed and installed your kitchen bar, it is time to start styling it. Here are a few tips. 1. Add accessories. Accessories can help to personalize your kitchen bar and make it more inviting. Consider adding items such as a fruit bowl, a vase of flowers, or a stack of cookbooks. 2. Use lighting. Lighting is important for any space, but it is especially important for a kitchen bar. You want to create a well-lit space that is both inviting and functional. Consider using pendant lights or sconces to illuminate your bar counter. 3. Add greenery. Greenery can add a touch of freshness and life to your kitchen bar. Consider adding a potted plant or two to your countertop. How to add a bar to a small kitchen. If you have a small kitchen, you may be wondering how to add a bar without taking up too much space. Here are a few tips. 1. Use a peninsula bar. A peninsula bar is a great option for small kitchens because it extends out from the wall, rather than taking up space in the middle of the room. 2. Use a floating bar. A floating bar is another great option for small kitchens because it is attached to the wall and does not take up any floor space. 3. Use a fold-down bar. A fold-down bar is a great space-saving solution for very small kitchens. When you are not using the bar, you can simply fold it down against the wall. And to complete your inspiration, here are 10 of the best kitchen with bar design ideas. 1. Peninsula bar with waterfall countertop. A peninsula bar with a waterfall countertop is a stylish and functional option for any kitchen. The waterfall countertop creates a seamless transition from the bar counter to the floor, adding a touch of luxury to the space. 2. Floating bar with glass shelves. A floating bar with glass shelves is a great way to add a touch of lightness and airiness to your kitchen. The glass shelves allow light to pass through, creating an open and inviting space. 3. Fold-down bar with built-in storage. A fold-down bar with built-in storage is a great space-saving solution for small kitchens. When you are not using the bar, you can simply fold it down against the wall. The built-in storage provides a convenient place to store bar supplies, glasses, and other items. 4. Kitchen island with bar seating. A kitchen island with bar seating is a great way to add extra seating and prep space to your kitchen. The bar seating also provides a great place to entertain guests. 5. Kitchen peninsula with built-in wine rack. A kitchen peninsula with a built-in wine rack is a great way to add a touch of luxury to your kitchen. The built-in wine rack provides a convenient place to store your wine collection, and it also makes a great conversation piece. 6. Kitchen island with X-frame base. A kitchen island with an X-frame base is a stylish and modern option for any kitchen. The X-frame base adds a touch of visual interest to the island, and it also makes the island more sturdy. 7. Kitchen peninsula with waterfall countertop and built-in sink. A kitchen peninsula with a waterfall countertop and built-in sink is a great way to add extra prep space and functionality to your kitchen. The waterfall countertop creates a seamless transition from the bar counter to the floor, and the built-in sink provides a convenient place to wash dishes or prepare food. 8. Floating bar with integrated lighting. A floating bar with integrated lighting is a great way to add a touch of luxury and sophistication to your kitchen. The integrated lighting creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, and it also makes the bar counter more visible. 9. Fold-down bar with integrated speakers. A fold-down bar with integrated speakers is a great way to add a touch of fun and entertainment to your kitchen. When you are not using the bar, you can simply fold it down against the wall. The integrated speakers allow you to listen to music or podcasts while you are cooking or entertaining guests. 10. Kitchen island with bar seating and built-in barbecue. A kitchen island with bar seating and a built-in barbecue is a great way to create an outdoor kitchen in your backyard. The bar seating provides a great place to entertain guests, and the built-in barbecue allows you to cook delicious meals without having to leave your home. A kitchen with a bar is a great way to add extra seating, prep space, and style to your home. Whether you are entertaining guests or simply enjoying a casual meal with your family, a kitchen bar is a great place to gather and connect. If you are thinking about adding a bar to your kitchen, be sure to consider the tips and ideas above. And if you need more help designing your kitchen bar, be sure to consult with a professional kitchen designer. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of stylish kitchen with bar design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.